In this video, I'm gonna show how to check Spotify Premium subscription. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on your computer or your iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log in Spotify and log into your account. After that, you swipe until you find this option right here at the top right corner. You need to click on this option settings. Then here you will see all options that you have in Spotify. And on the first option, Premium Plan. So click right here. Click on the second option, See Premium Plans, and you can check the plan that you are using. So just click on any of these plans. Okay, I will use Premium Family, and Spotify will redirect you to Google Chrome or your navigator. After that, you can swipe until find the plan that you want to use. Okay, and check the plan that you are using. You can also cancel your plan. In my case, it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. You can click on cancel the plan, and you cancel the premium plan on Spotify. I hope I help you how to check Spotify Premium subscription. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive those footsteps.